what's up guys, it's your girl Brianna aka MiniMarley, and I am back for another video. As you can tell by the title, this one is going to be a hair tutorial and we are gonna get into this long ponytail that I installed. So cute. Recently this has been my kind of go-to style when I need a look and I need it right away. I don't have time to do something that's gonna take a whole day to dry, especially during the summertime. I think a super slick low ponytail is so in, so poppin', and I want to show you guys how to get it. I know when you have big hair, big curls, natural hair, just a lot going on your head, it can be really tough to slick your hair back. And I've been getting a lot of questions on how I do my slick low buns, my slick ponytails. So I felt like this was kind of a 2-for-1. You guys are going to see the method, the technique that I use to slick my hair down. And then I'm also going to show you how to attach a ponytail, which can be really tough for natural hair. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep watching this video. Okay, so as usual, I am starting off with freshly washed hair. I literally just got out of the shower and did my skincare routine, which is why I look a little bit shiny. But I'm gonna go ahead and take down my hair, show you what I'm working with. My hair is definitely growing so much since my last big job in January, and I'm really excited about that. But first things first, we want to moisturize the hair. So I'm dividing this first half of my hair into another half, and then I'm going to apply this leave-in conditioner by Talia Waji. This is their detangling leave-in conditioner, and it's pretty good. I got it with the curling cream that I've been using a lot lately, so this is just the one that I have on hand right now. I'm making sure that my strands are fully coated, really getting in there and moisturizing my hair. Then I'm going in with my Holy Grail Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, taking a big glob of that and also moisturizing this section of hair. You want to make sure that even if you're putting your hair in a low bun, a low ponytail, or a ponytail with an extension like this, your hair is still moisturized underneath. So I'm just coating all of my hair with this product. Make sure you get your ends, they need it the most, and then go ahead and detangle the section. So detangling your hair is extremely important for this low pup. If you want to make sure that there are no bumps and lumps, no kinks, everything is nice and smooth, you need to make sure that your hair is thoroughly detangled. So after I detangled this section, I kind of wrapped it up and pinned it down so that it could stay detangled, and I'm moving on to that front section and doing the exact same thing. I'm going to take the Talia Wajid leave-in, coat my strands, especially my ends, and then also go in with the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie and make sure that my hair is fully moisturized. Once that front section is all moisturized, I'm just taking this entire side of my hair and going through with my Denman brush one more time. I just went ahead and got rid of some excess product because we are doing a ponytail, so I don't want my hair to be super white with all this product. And then I'm just going to wrap this side of my hair up again, making sure that everything stays detangled, and work on the other side of my hair. And once I'm done, I'm going to take them down and it should look something like this. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is take a tail comb and just go ahead and create the part for this ponytail. You can do a middle part or a side part, whatever you like, but make sure that it is very precise because that is just going to make your ponytail look that much more professional and neat. So I went ahead and created a deep side part for this look. And then I just wanted to also show you guys the elastic bands that I use to secure my hair. I use these super jumbo big ones by Scrunchie, and also this really thick one by Goody, and I get these at Target, and they are just the best tools for creating a ponytail. I can't describe it, but once you use it, you'll understand. If you have thick natural hair, you need these. So the first step is to take your Denman brush and go ahead and pull your hair to the back. Because your hair is already detangled, it's going to be so easy for you to just brush your hair into place. And as you can see, I'm just pulling it back because I'm doing a low ponytail, but depending on where you want your ponytail to land, just go ahead and brush it in that direction. And again, my hair is already detangled, so this was super easy to do. I'm just gliding my brush through my hair and pulling it back into a low ponytail. So I'm using the thicker Goody scrunchie for this ponytail, but this is literally just a loose ponytail. I'm only going to go around 2 times. This is just to hold my hair back into place so that I can start gelling it down. So I'm going to go in with my Eco Styler, and I also use Style Factor Edge Booster Pomade. That one was the new one, but I don't really like it as much as this. This is their older one, the ones that come in the black cap and they're more clear. I definitely recommend you getting the regular older version. The new one just doesn't work as well to me. But I'm going in with my Eco Styler olive oil gel, and I'm just going to start slicking down my hair. I just took a big glob of this. You guys know I'm an Eco Styler girl. I always use it, but whatever gel works for you, use that to start slicking down your hair. I basically just plaster this on my hair and start slicking it down. It might seem like a lot of gel, but I just don't really feel like this gel is drying, so I don't mind using a lot. So use whatever gel you feel works best in your hair and gets your hair nice and slick, and lay that hair down. So this is what it looks like when I basically just plaster the gel on my hair, and the next step is to brush it down. As I was brushing, I felt some lumps in my hair, so I'm gonna go in with a tail comb, once again this really tiny fine comb, and I'm just going to comb through my hair, and this is basically just gonna comb out any kinks. You guys ask me how I get my hair so slick, and all of these steps are very important. If you don't want any kinks, any bumps or lumps, go through with your comb and comb them out. Comb it all the way back and make sure that it is very nice and smooth. Again, your hair is detangled already, so you're not going to be pulling your hair and breaking it. You're just going to really help kind of smooth the hair out. And as you can see, just doing that, my hair already looks so much smoother. Now I'm going to go back in with a more hard boar bristle type brush and just smooth my hair down. But again, it was already so smooth, so this is just a really quick step. If you realize that you need gel in any more sections because it's still puffy, go ahead and add that. Do not be shy with the gel. So this is what my hair is looking like from the back, and to secure my ponytail, I like to use this really jumbo elastic band, and as you can see, it has so much stretch. This really helps me get a nice, secure, tight ponytail the way I personally like it, and I'm just going to go ahead and wrap that around and really get a nice snug ponytail. Of course, you do not want to do this too tight, especially if you plan to wear it for a few days, because it will really pull on your edges, and we do not want that. So keep that in mind when you're creating this, but you guys need to get this elastic band. Again, they are at Target, and I will link them down below if I can find them. And as you can see, I now have a super slick ponytail. So if that's what you guys are here for, there it is, my super slick ponytail. If you want to create a bun, you guys know how to do the bun part. Just wrap your hair back. But this is what that looks like. And I'm just going to go in with my brush and smooth it out one last time. This is also when you can add a little bit more gel if you need to. But honestly, this thing is slick. And to get the most slick ponytail possible, I definitely recommend doing this right out of the shower after you wash your hair. I just think it's the easiest. Your hair is nice and wet, it's easy to detangle, versus when it's dry, it's not going to be as slick. All right, moving on, I'm just going in with my little toothbrush and a little more of my Eco Styler, and I'm working on these edges. I'm not doing the most with them today, just doing a little swoop here and there, and that's pretty much it. After I go in with my Eco Styler gel and get my basic layout for my edges, I like to go in with my Style Factor Edge Booster Pomade. Again, I really do not like this one. These ones look brown, but the original clear bottle with the black top, they look clear. No matter what color of the gel you get, it has a clear look, and it just looks so much better, and they slick down my edges so well. I really recommend that gel. But next, I'm just going in with a little of my Got to Be Glue hold spray. The only reason I'm using this is because I'm doing a ponytail. I do not use that for regular buns or ponytails, but since I'm adding extensions and I plan to wear this for a few days, I just wanted to get that extra locked in hold with my Got to Be Glued styling spray. Now moving on to this ponytail, I'm just detangling this section of hair with my Denman brush once again because I'm going to braid this up. I'm going to get a nice tight braid, as tight as I can. When you have thick hair, this can be super difficult, but just try to braid your hair as well as you can and just get one nice jumbo braid in the back. I don't know if you guys caught the way that I wrapped my scarf, but if you did not see that, definitely rewind and go catch that, because I think it's also very important to tie your hair down properly to get the entire thing to lay flat. So it's kind of hard to explain how I tie my scarf, but just go back and watch that part again if you missed it. As you can see, I just took another one of these big scrunchies and I'm just tying it around the braid just to get it even more compact and tight. So if you are not able to braid your hair well and it's sticking out, don't worry, because you're just going to go in with one of those elastic bands and make your braid more compact, and that will really help. So this is the hair that I'm going to be using for my ponytail. It's from Boho Exotic Studio. I think it's like 26 inches or something crazy like that, or 22. I'll link it in the description box below so you guys can see. And I just folded that weft in half, and I'm taking a bobby pin and pulling it through the loop at the end. Now you're going to take that pin and just tuck it inside of your braid at the bottom of the braid near the end, and then that basically just secures it to your braid. So that's the first step. Once it's in, you're just going to start wrapping the weft around your hair. So I'm just tightly wrapping. Make sure it's tight. You don't want it to be loose or it will basically fall apart. Just tightly wrap around and start going upwards with that weft as you wrap so that we can get closer to the base of our ponytail. After I wrap around a couple times, I take another bobby pin and basically just secure it to the braid, just so that I can make sure that this thing really is not going anywhere. It's really nice and secure. Just take a bobby pin and tuck that into the braid and then continue wrapping around again. Once I get to the end of the weft, I only have this little piece here left, and I'm just going to take another bobby pin, of course, and secure that in. And then this is what it looks like. As I was doing this first bundle, I realized I didn't move up enough as I was wrapping, so the ponytail is kind of still way down to the end of my braid. But definitely make sure that you're going up as you wrap so that everything is even. But again, I folded this bundle in half, and then I'm just looping this bobby pin through the middle of the weft, and then I'm just attaching it to my ponytail using the bobby pin, and then I'm just going to start wrapping around and around again. Now this is why I say that I should have been moving upward more as I was wrapping the bundle. This bundle barely made it to the base of my ponytail. I almost ran out of hair, so just keep that in mind as you go. You don't want to wrap the bundles around the base of your ponytail too many times, or else it will be too thick. But you do want to make sure that you have enough hair to reach the base of your ponytail. I just went ahead and removed my scarf so that I can properly finish this ponytail, and I barely had enough hair, but I made it all the way to the base of this braid. Once you get to the end, you just want to take a little bit of the hair from the bundle, the last piece of the weft, as you can see right here, and you're just going to wrap that hair around the base of your ponytail. Just go ahead and take a piece. It can be as big or as thick as you want. Some people like to get a thick piece of hair. Some people like a thinner piece. This part is up to you. But as you can see, I'm just wrapping this around the base of my ponytail for a nice, clean, seamless look. I'm taking a little bit of my Got To Be Glue free spray, and I'm combing through this hair so that it can be nice and slick. And this free spray is pretty sticky, so it's gonna help this hair really stay in place. I like to spray it on the base as well, and it's just gonna make sure that your ponytail is super secure. So I'm just smoothing as I go and wrapping tightly, and I'm basically gonna tuck the end of the hair under the base of this ponytail. Tie your hair back down because we need this to dry, especially when you have just done a ponytail or a bun on freshly washed hair. You need to wear your scarf at least for 30 minutes. I literally keep it on for 30 minutes to an hour to really lock my hair in place, and that's how I get it to stay perfectly slick for a long time. I went ahead and combed out this hair, added a little moisturizer and gel, and this is what it looks like the next morning. I'm taking a little shine spray. You can use any brand. This one is by Jane Carter Solution, Curls to Go line. And I'm just spraying that on the base of my hair just to get rid of any whiteness or anything that may be on my hair from the gel. And then I'm going to use a little bit of this oil from the Moroccan oil. I forgot what it's called. I will link it down below. But I love using this on any weave, wigs, or extensions that I have because it just makes your ponytail or your hair or wig so much softer. And this is what the ponytail looks like. It came out so good. My go-to look. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it nice and easy to follow. I hope that this is something that you guys can recreate over the summer. I really love how this came out. I'm loving this hair. If you want details on it, it will be linked in the description box below. So don't forget to check there for links to everything from the products to the hair. But yeah, I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. So do not forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss what I have coming next. Peace out guys. I'll see you in the next video.